Hi, I'm Blade. It's cool to have a nice lawn. I'll show you how. This month, you should keep an eye out for a red-pink color to the grass blades. This is a lawn disease called red thread. Also, lawn weeds will begin to emerge, such as dandelions. Your lawn could get a fuzzy, dull look to it. These are grass seed heads. To minimize red thread lawn disease, it's best to water your lawn early in the day. This will allow enough time for the grass blades to dry and will minimize the conditions that cause this disease to spread. Fertilizing with a well-balanced fertilizer, organic is best, will help prevent this disease and cause the existing red thread disease to grow out. The best way to keep weeds under control is to make sure your lawn is thick and healthy. This will crowd out the weeds so they don't get a chance to spread. So reseed any bare areas to keep your weeds under control. If your weeds are out of control, then you might want to consider a comprehensive weed herbicide program. This time of year, many grasses go to seed and may give your lawn a dull look. It's perfectly natural and will only last a couple of weeks, so just let nature take its course. If your lawn has bare spots, remember, it's quick, easy, and inexpensive to repair with the grass stitcher. Just stitch, seed, and sprinkle. We'll see you next month for a rockin' healthy lawn.